we can see the list. So there are some in our constitution there are three lists are there. Okay, one is called as the central list, second one is called as the state list, next third one is called as concurrent list. So these three concepts shows that India is called as the federation. India is following the federal government. Okay, so first one is, so just to move forward. So see here, yes. So these are the three lists are there in our constitution. So first one is just union list. Okay, union is that means union list is also called as the central list. Okay, central list. Here, what is the meaning for this one? So in every list, there we can see these subjects. Subjects means what? Matters. Okay, there are some matters are there. So which matters will come under, or which subjects comes under this union list? So those list is called as union list. So what are the subjects present in this union list? Means, so it includes the subjects of national importance of such as defense of the country. So defense of the country subject belongs to completely union list. Okay. Next, so foreign affairs. So foreign affairs, this is one of the subject. This subject also belongs to the union list. So if you see in the constitution, in the union list, there will be the subjects, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3 like that. Okay. So in the first subject, that is it is called as the just defense. Next, second it is called as just foreign affairs like that. Next, banking is there. Banking, communication, and currency. So these are subjects which are present in the union list. Not only this one. So nearly there are 32 lists are there. Just here only just we are seeing this only this 5 or 6 examples only. But if you see in the real constitution, nearly in the of course in the union list we have nearly 62 subjects are there. 62 subjects. Okay, remember this one, not this one. So it is total 62 subjects, not 32. It is 62. Total 62 subjects belongs to the union list. That means what? Union government have the power on these subjects. They will take their decisions on this matter. Okay. Next, state list. So state list contains subjects of the state and local importance such as the police. So police department was controlled by the state government, not the central government. Okay. So that comes under state list. So state list consists of the subject like police department, next to trade. So even this trade also. Of course, there are some trades are there. Central trades are there and also the state trades also is there. But here the trade comes under the trade within the state, they comes under this state list. Next, commerce. So even this is also some sort of business. Next, agriculture and irrigation. So agriculture and irrigation, that is completely present in the hands of these state governments. Okay, state government can take any decisions in its matters. Okay, so these are the subjects belongs to the state list. So this is written in the constitution. Next, so here one more list is, yes. So concurrent list. So this, yes. See here, concurrent list were there. Concurrent list nothing but these are the subjects which are present at the central government as well as the state government. So these matters have the authority for both the governments, that is state governments and the central government. So both governments have the authority on these matters, that is on these subjects. So which matters comes under this one? Means see here. So concurrent list includes the subjects of the common interest on to both the union government as well as the state government, such as the education, So in the education department, so in some cases, so central government is taking the decision, but in some cases the state government is also taking the decision. And next one is the forest. So forest trade unions. So forest trade unions are completely controlled by the both, sometimes the state government and sometimes the central government. So if any problem persists in these departments, then both the governments have this authority to take the decision. Okay. Next. So see here. So not only this one, even this one also. Marriage. So marriage is also belongs to the both. So it indicates what? It indicates that our tradition and also the culture. So culture should not be disturbed by our country. So the state government and also the central government both have the authority to take the decision on this matter. Next, adoption and succession. So these are the matters. Okay. So here there are some examples are there, but there are some union territories are there. So union territories nothing but just they are completely controlled by the central government. Whatever the concurrent subjects are there, so full authority was given on this. That is mainly this central, that is union territories. Union territories nothing but just complete authority was given for the central government. Okay. So these are the matters. So from these three lists, we can understand that our country is called as a federation. So it is also sometimes we can tell that the power is decentralized. So our constitution is called as the federal constitution sometimes. So that means our country is also called as the federal country, Indian Federation, like that. Okay. So next, just move forward. So here, yes, but there are some allegations are there. In some political parties, they will argue that sometimes these there will be some contradictions in taking decisions between the state government and central government. So here some of the examples are given. So if you see here, so here Pokhran is there. So Pokhran is a very famous, well-known name. You know that. You know that, or you don't know? Yes, you know this. Pokhran is present in Rajasthan mainly, which is the center place for testing of our missiles, and also nuclear test will be conducted in this place, that is called as the Pokhran. So here Pokhran is present in Rajasthan, and the testing of nuclear weapons is the duty of the central government. So central government want to conduct this nuclear test at Pokhran. Then Rajasthan intention is, example, they don't want to conduct this test in Rajasthan, which may be problematic for the state environment. Then what will happen? So Rajasthan will reject this one. So that means in the past, that means past decades, Rajasthan government has agreed. That means argued, not agreed. So it is argued that the central government should not go for nuclear test in the Rajasthan, as this Rajasthan is completely becoming as a polluted area. So like that, some allegations are there. So whose decision is given importance? So for whose decision have to take means. So in such situations, the federation is going to fail because central government must take the decision. Central government will take the decision means what? So they are avoiding the power of this Rajasthan. That is avoiding the feudal character, avoiding the federal character of our constitution. Avoiding the federal character means what? It comes to the dictator. Okay, dictator government in the country like that. So equal importance must be given for. The central government also must listen the words of the state government. Okay, so like that our constitution was written. So our constitution is a very efficient one in the world. So in keeping the view of all the people, all matters, it was written. Such a great one, our constitution. And our constitution is also the largest in the constitution in the world. You know that. So that will be discussed in the constitution chapter. Okay, that will become in the later sections. Next.